India and the world went through a horrifying phase during the COVID-19 pandemic. But there was one silver lining, the vaccination program. There is a new book which documents India's vaccination growth story. On this episode of Life and Science with Pallava Bagla, it's all about India's vaccine success story. My guest on this show is Dr Sajjan Singh Yadav, a public health specialist, an Indian Administrative Services officer, and an additional secretary in the Ministry of Finance, and the author of this highly regarded book. A book which recounts the story from TikaDars to Vaccine Maitri.
TikaDars, as you know, Tika in Hindi means kind of injection or vaccine. So we had a very innovative method. The TikaDars, they used to collect pus from the patients of smallpox, and they would collect it and dry it for a year. Why? Because they wanted to weaken the virus. That is the principle behind development of vaccines, that you weaken the virus by different methods.
Dr. Yadav says India pioneered vaccination more than 2000 years ago. But Vaccine Maitri has given India a new place in the Committee of Nations because India shared the COVID-19 vaccine with more than 100 countries of the world. This Amrit Kal is all about one earth, one family, one future. India leading the world through its vaccine yarn. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam at its very best. On this episode of Life and Science with Pallava Bagla, it's all about understanding vaccines, vaccine management, and more importantly, how India funded its massive vaccination effort. Keep watching India Science.